Hi, it's Uwe-chan, and I'm going to read Dogma and the Lord of the Fleas, Chapter 6. Chapter 6. Super Buddies. Look, Lil Petey, HD, and Dogman are wearing superhero costumes. Look, Dogman is holding his bone, and Lil Petey has claws, and look, they're brave. And they start flying. Guys, what are you doing? We're practicing our superhero poses. You know that the bad guys are here, right? Yeah. Hi, bad guys. Hi. Don't wave at him. He's our enemy. And any enemy of ours shall soon be annihilated. What do you have to say to that? Knock, knock. Who's there? An airplane. An airplane who? An airplane pooped on your eyebrow. Ha 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 ha! That's not funny. Look, Piggy feels mad. Look, Dogman and his friends are laughing. Even Crunky and Bob, and they're making fun of Piggy. But Petey is not laughing. So you like to laugh, huh? Well, here's a funny story. Once there were 3 evil villains. We who built a giant robo-brontosaurus that had a killer death ray. Show him! And the giant brontosaurus zaps the building and it crashes. Crash? Hey, you were right. That was a funny story. Hey, the Bark Knight. Now our chance to save our friends. Ready? Go! And Dogman throws Lil Petey. And Dogman runs to his dogmobile, and Lil Petey swings his claws. And he slices them and saves the cop, Sarah Hatoff, and Millie. And the cop, Sarah Hatoff, and Millie and Zuzu are falling. And Dogman is riding his dogmobile. We're still falling! And I'm about to crash on the ground. And Dogman presses a giant baseball glove button, and the giant baseball glove shows up. And it catches Sheaf, Sarah, Millie, and Zuzu. And Dogman gets Lil Petey back. Whoop. Good catch, the Bark Knight. But uh-oh, we're about to crash into that factory. Quip, step on the brake. And Dogman steps on the brake. And screech! And Sheaf, Sarah, Millie, and Zuzu fall. Well, it looks like this is the end. Yep, we're about to smash into that factory. Rats. Hey, it was nice knowing you, Sarah. Same here, Sheaf. Good work, Millie. Thanks, Sheaf. It was an honor to serve beside you. Bye, Zuzu. You were a good doggy. Gee, I wonder what it will be like to not exist anymore. Well, when you think about it, none of us existed for trillions of years before we were born, and we didn't seem to mind it then. Yeah, I didn't even notice. True that. Let's not cry 'cause we're gonna die. Let's laugh 'cause we're got to live. Yeah, haha. Haha. And Sheaf, Sarah, Millie, and Zuzu go into the marshmallow factory. Swish, bloop, floop, blah. Hey, we didn't get killed to death, and we get to eat yummy marshmallows. Win-win! And Sheaf, Sarah, and Millie, and Zuzu are eating marshmallows. Hey, look, it's our heroes. And Dogman, Lil Petey, and Lightning Dude come. Hooray for the Super Buddies! Don't celebrate just yet, 'cause we're back. It took forever, but we finally got ourselves out from under that building. And now we're gonna finish you all off with one zap of our killer death ray. So you'd better say goodbye. Bye-bye, Dogman. So long, Sarah. Au revoir, Zuzu. Adios, Millie. We love you, ADHD. pleasant about everything? Go on, zap him. Zap. And Petey's robot takes the giant brontosaurus. Yank! Looks like we're gonna have a giant robo battle in Fripporama. Look. The giant robo brontosaurus is zapping Petey's robot. And Piggy is dancing. And Petey feels so scared and upset. I don't know why you're helping those guys. You're a villain. Yeah, I know, but I'm trying to change. Oh, really? Well, how's this for a change? Flipporama. Well, the giant brontosaurus is beating up Petey, and Piggy is also dancing again. Hey, Mr. Piggy Man. What? Knock, knock. And Piggy felt upset. What is wrong with you? Why do you keep telling those stupid jokes? Because it's distracting. Distracting for what? No! And Petey dances and steps on the giant robo-brontosaurus. And Piggy is jumping. And Petey is dancing on it. That's my papa. I mean, that's Petey. He's trying so hard to be good. I always knew he had a good heart in there somewhere.